how to change theme color in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to customize your Google Forms to make it look better? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Go to Google Chrome and open up the forms that you have created. Then on the top, you will see a painting like icon. This is the customize theme option. Just tap on it and then a pop-up will open up on the right hand side. Now you can see you can change the text style. You can change it to any text provided here. I'll change it to Times New Roman. So you can see the header has changed. You can even change the size. Similarly, you can change the text style in the questions as well. I'll choose Lexant, and there you go, it has changed. Now you can even put in header image. You can choose image from the images provided by Google Forms, so you can choose according to theme. So just scroll down and then choose the one of your choice. Just tap on it and then hit insert, and you can see a header has been inserted. And then you can even change the color of the form. So I want blue, I'll tap on it, and you can see that the form color has been changed to blue. Similarly, the background color can also be changed. And there you go. This is how you customize themes on your Google Forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.